Hello, I'm Dimple Chatterjee. I'm here to speak about my small boutique in Pondichéry called Kriti Ecoboutique. And mostly all the NGOs whose products we are keeping here are following strictly the principles of fair trade, good conditions of work, and we really check that or verify that before opening our store to keeping their products. We have honey which is harvested by the tribal community which is a traditional honey hunting community. Then there are organic spices, organic tea, coffee, essential oils, all that grow in the forest and which the tribals use from ancient times. There is home, so we have beautiful bed covers and rugs. After that there is apparel that comes from Kumbaya, which is in central India. So if you ever want to give a gift, this is the place to come to. The last category that we have is jewelry. That is a very interesting NGO working with slum artists. Each product has a story to tell. So when you buy a product, it's just not the product but also the story behind it. We would love to have you visit our boutique in Pondichéry if you are visiting Pondichéry, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook where we post our products regularly. We would be very happy if you are a part of our journey.